Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a little cray today because I don't know why, just a little hyper. Anyways, if you guys notice, I got new hair. I got it done yesterday and I got it cut and I got it colored, and I basically just wanted shorter hair because I'm getting bored and I needed to, you know, just do a drastic change to my hair, which I'm really not used to this hair color at all. I've never really colored my hair in forever, like forever as in like 20 plus years or something. But I like it and I'm here for it. And basically the cut I got was just like a low bob, like some wispy low bob. And yeah, and I just like it. I did cut my hair in August and it was, I swear it was this short, you know, it was like shoulder length, but it was a straight cut, took out all my layers. It was just like pretty much straight cut. And then when it grew out, my hair grows out so fast, I just didn't really like it anymore. And then I'm experiencing some hair loss over here, which I'm gonna explain to you when you guys see me doing my makeup of why I'm getting hair loss. And yeah, so I'm just like loving it. And so I just decided to do a get ready with me and a first impression of the 35G bronze goals palette from Morphe. I feel like people don't really talk about this palette anymore. Yeah, it was great at first when I first heard it, but I think people are not liking this palette. I pretty much created the shade right here, and I just did a matte eyeshadow look. I didn't mess around with the shimmer looks at all, and because I just wanted to do something like a little simple makeup, so I just did this look and I kind of like it. The shadows are so easy to blend and I really like it. I did use, what shade did I use? I used no. Which one did I use? I used Tan Up, which is this shade. I don't know how to explain. I don't even know how to hold this palette. It's so huge. This right here, yeah, that shade right there, if you guys can see it there, on my outer crease, and it didn't really show up on my outer crease. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but I did kind of wanted to smoke up my eye look today, just a little tiny bit, you know. And this plastic foil package thingy is so annoying. I just wish that they would have just put the names on the freaking package instead of like having that freaking plastic. Anyways, but yeah, I really like this palette so far, all the matte shades, and yeah. Okay, anyways, if you guys want to keep on watching on how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lips. I'm just using an EOS lip balm, and then to prime my eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Primer. Not Naked Primer, it's just a primer. This is just the original one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the 35G Bronze Goals palette from Morphe. And it's still in the package because I haven't touched it, and I bought this like over a month ago, and yeah. Anyways, I'm probably just gonna throw this thing out because come on people, it's 2019. I don't have time for this, okay? I'd rather have the names be like on the actual palette instead of like having this plastic cover thing. Anyways, yeah. I'm gonna use Sandy and I'm gonna put it all over my crease as like a transition shade. SPF, and put it right below where I put Sandy. Alright, then I'm going to blend. Alright, let's see. For the eyeshadow, I just want to use something simple because I'm not really going anywhere today. So I don't really want to do a lot of makeup. Should I keep it just matte all over? Oh, that's pretty. I'm just keeping it all matte today, guys. Alright. Then I'm gonna blend. Should I smoke it out or should I just stick with this look? I'm kinda liking this look, honestly. I don't really want to mess it up, you know? Okay, maybe I will kind of smoke it out just a little. Just a little. Okay, I'm gonna take it. I kind of like this whole like shade going on. I'm either gonna take Toasted or Heat Wave or Tan Up. I'll take Tan Up, which is fine. But I don't really want this look to be super intense. How about that? Okay, then I'm gonna blend again. Blend till your hands bleed, literally. Desert it and put it on my brow bone. Oh no. Because in the brush, it looks a little dark. That's so weird. I feel like I just ruined this look. Anyways, we're gonna take a break and I'll use a mascara. I don't even curl my lashes anymore. I'm just using the Mad Lash Black Mascara from The Balm. This is just their sample size. I got this from my Ipsy like a long time ago, I believe. I also did my eyebrows as well before doing this video, but since I got my hair colored, I feel like I should have lighter brows because it just doesn't look good with your hair being light and you have dark brows. Love this mascara. I've only been using it for like a week now, but I love that it gives me length, like a lot of length, and it doesn't clump up my eyelashes like a lot, which I really love. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I am going to be using the Smashbox Photo Primer Water. Photo Primer. It's the primer water. Oh my gosh, I'm just thinking about like food right now. Even though I just ate. It's like that time of the month, so I'm like really hungry and I just want everything and I don't even want to share it. Like, I just had McDonald's and I told my husband that I wanted large fries and I told him, you can't have this. Like, this is mine. Like, we can't share this, so you have to get your own fries. Is anybody else like that? Or is it just me? Okay. Anyways, I'm using the Urban Decay complexion primer. And then I love this primer. I'm going in with the other Urban Decay products, the Naked Skin Urban Decay. The Naked Skin concealer. And I am just going to conceal my dark circles. Do I have any? Do I look like I have any? Do I even need concealer? I don't know. But I definitely love this concealer because it's so lightweight and it just does the job. The reason why I'm applying concealer is because I'm not going to do any foundations today. I just I'm just too lazy to do foundation. So I'm just going to do this. I'm just gonna wear face powder because like I said, I'm not really doing anything today. I'm just gonna go to Walmart and buy like lady necessity stuff like shampoos and stuff like that, or maybe like flip around and waste my money. Just kidding. I really need money. I'm just like, I'm so broke all the time now because I have bills to pay. Like being an adult, don't grow up, it's a trap, I swear. Alright, so after concealer, I'm gonna move on to the Makeup Forever face powder. This is the Duo Matte Face Powder. I love this face powder. I've been using the same face powder forever, and keeps me matte. It's not one of those powder that sets your foundation. It's one of those that you can just wear alone and it gives you like great coverage. So I'm just going to press this on my face instead of just like sweeping it on my face to my neck, because I am getting like a lot of cis acne again. Ugh, PCOS life, I'm telling you. If you have PCOS, you know what I'm talking about. I've noticed that my hair is falling out in like my scalp, like not my scalp, like right here in this area. Like I just started noticing it, and I'm like seeing like what it's doing, and I'm just like, oh no. So maybe I should actually start going to the doctor and it's so white and like get that cured or whatever, because me losing my hair is no, that's not gonna happen, you know. So okay, so this one. Then I'm gonna go back to my mascara and put mascara on my lower lashes. Alright, so for the blush, I am just going with this. I forgot what kind of blush this is, but it's just this blush right here. I don't know how to explain it to you. Oh no. I kind of use the same products every time I do a video. It's just so repetitive. If you guys want to see like new products on my video, just let me know, or like recommend some stuff. And then to highlight, I am just using the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn palette that I got from my box of charm. Like a long time ago, as you guys know, I did cancel my box of charm because I have, like I said, I have bills to pay, and I just needed, plus I'm getting so many palettes from them. It's so crazy, and I just can't keep up, you know. Like I don't really need this much makeup. I have these makeup to last me till like I'm about like 90 years old or something, I swear. Because now I don't even wear makeup every day like I used to. I use Ziggy from ColourPop. This is their Ultra Matte Lipstick. Whatever it's called. Ta-da! I love this color. It's been a while since I used this color, but I am loving it and I'm here for it.